bake in the hotel, no longer baking at home. So today we're gonna make one of the very popular pastries in the morning or in the coffee break. This is English cakes, or sometimes we call as Madeira cake or pound cake. It's really simple. Normally 5 ingredients to do it. It depends on the variation. So it's very simple and practical because the recipe is 1:1. 1 kilogram of butter and then 1 kilogram of white sugar. And then we gotta cream it. So we have to cream at least 10 minutes. As you can see guys, now the color of the butter and sugar is white because it has been creamed. Yeah. Now we added the vanilla extract. It is 20 milligram of vanilla extract for the flavor. Continue mixing. Alright, it's done. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. The dry ingredients, we have 1 kilogram of all-purpose flour and then 5 grams of salt on it. Then 20 grams of baking powder. Let's mix it. For adding our dry ingredients, we have to alternate with the eggs. So the egg is also 1 kilogram of eggs. And then alternate with eggs. And then the last batch of the flour, add it until incorporate. And then the last batch of our eggs. So now it's done. As you can see, it's nicely creamy. For the variation guys, you can add dried fruits, you can add raisin on it, you can add even chocolate chips on it. We prefer to put a dried fruits. This is 300 grams of mixed dried fruits. Alright, it's done. Very important, before baking, we have to rest it in the fridge. So now we have to bake our English cake. So we need low pan. We're gonna lay with baking paper. Make sure you just fill up the loaf pan into 3/4. The milestone to be cracked on top is a little bit of corn oil or melted butter on it, and dip the dough cutter on the center. Either corn oil or melted butter, you guys, you can use. This technique is very effective if you want to make crack on top. So as you can see, guys, the air will come out on the center and it will start to open it. So we're gonna set up our oven into 170 Celsius, both up and down. So 170 into 45 minutes. It depends how big is your mold. Alright, look at this. Alright guys, as you can see now, it's already cracked on top. Alright, see, it's cracked on top and nice golden brown. Alright guys, now we have to unmold our English cake. Let's see, still hot. Ah, look at this. This is now our English cake. Yummy, fantastic. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog.